Morning. Good morning, students. Let's we continue our topic. Our topic is animals. We already studied in previous video about animals and divide animals according to their habitat, food, body temperature, hours of activity, and backbones. So we study food habitats. According to food habitats, we divide into three types: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Second is habitat. According to habitat, we divide into three types: terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat, and third is amphibians. Now, today we study about body temperature. Animals also classify according to their body temperature. Classification according to body temperature. According to body temperature, animals are divided into two types: cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded animals. Firstly, cold-blooded animals. Some animals change their body temperature according to temperature of the outside environment. For example, frog. Some animals change their body temperature according to outside environment. This is called cold-blooded animals. It cannot regulate own temperature. When outside is cold, then their body temperature decreases, and the outside is hot, their body temperature increases. For example, frog, fishes, crocodiles, etc. are cold-blooded animals. Their body temperature cannot constant. Their body temperature change according to outer environment. This is called cold-blooded animals. And warm-blooded animals. Some animals have a constant body temperature that does not change with the environment, with the outer environment. All humans, mammals like lions, tigers, etc. warm-blooded animals. The warm-blooded animals cannot change their body temperature according to outside temperature. When, for example, human body temperature of human is 37 degree Celsius, they cannot change their body temperature according to outside. When environment is cold, then human wear a sweater for prevent to coldness, and then environment is hot, so prevent hotness, humans apply some equipments and prevent from outer environment. So in our next video we study about hours of activity. So we study food habitats, habitat and body temperature. So we divide animals food habitats, habitat and body temperature. In our next video we divide or classify animals according to hours of activity, and last is backbone.